Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll be telling you why you need to join ACCA. Why you would be having many questions about ACCA. In this video, I'm going to answer that. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. Hey everyone, my name is Nasser and I'm an ACCA trainer too. Now here in this video, I'll be answering or actually addressing an issue with many students which have that why should we be doing ACCA. Now the biggest misconception which I have seen with ACCA right now is that it is compared with CA. You don't need to compare it with CA. CA has its own value, ACCA has its own value. CA can practice in India, ACCA cannot practice in India, and ACCA cannot practice in India. That's the one flaw which it is having. Now if you see into that flaw and if you're actually wanting to practice, then CA is best for you. ACCA is not that good for you if you want to practice in India. Now for the rest of the things, if you want to work in India, 100% ACCA you will be getting a job. If you want to get started with an organization in India, you can do that. There is no restriction in that. Can you give consultancy services? Yes, you can give consultancy services in India. So I hope this misconception is cleared. Now coming on towards the basic things about why you need to choose ACCA. See, a normal job, a normal BCom or a normal BBA or a normal commerce stream course will not give you that in-depth knowledge or that in-depth skills which are required for you to progress in your career. Now to progress in your career, you need to have different skills of accounting, budgeting, I talk about financial management, performance analysis, reporting of the financial statement. These all are more in depth in ACCA. In fact, coming up with IFRS, all IFRS standards, international accounting standards are addressed in the ACCA qualification, and that's the reason you need to do an ACCA, because with a normal degree you may not get that job which would be highly satisfying to you, but with an ACCA you will get that. Not immediately, but for sure you are going to get that. Now coming on towards the third question with ACCA, misconception also, it's not valued in India. It's a new course in India. It's not that new. It's not that a different course in India. It's a very old qualification, more than 100 years age. This qualification has been into. It's new into India. You can see it new into India because you are looking into it right now. You were not aware about it. See, these all qualifications I used to teach in Dubai in 2015, 16 and start of 2017. I was teaching ACCA, CIMA, CMA US, all these qualifications I was teaching there, and it is highly valued. In fact, while I was teaching there, let me just share with you one more thing. I used to teach Indians only there. An Indian is teaching an Indian in a different country, and because it is a different country, the price of teaching goes up. That's the reason also, one of the reasons I came back here. I have my own academy training students for ACCA, CMA US and other professional qualifications, and I actually push students to do professional qualifications. See, few months back the new education policy came into act, but where can we see it? In fact, when that came into place, when that's announced about that these all things you need to work while you're learning, you can switch into one qualification or the other stream, that's already there in these qualifications. That is actually the structure of professional qualifications. You guys can also get these benefit, and that's the reason I push students that you need to do these qualifications. Now, what is the minimum eligibility on when we need to start it? The best time to start it somewhere between 11th class, 12th class, commerce stream. Can a science student do it? If you are willing to work, or if you are willing to make a career into business management, accounting and all, then you can switch anytime like this. I hope you guys are getting clarity. Now there will be many more questions also, and if you are having questions like these, what you can do is put it down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer those questions. You can also join into our WhatsApp group, ACCA discussion WhatsApp group. The link will be there below. You can also download our application. The link is there below. through which you can get into our demo sessions and watch out for our classes and the reasons, more reasons on why you need to do professional qualifications. So what are you waiting for? Do it right now and make sure that you like, share, subscribe and share it more with more and more students so that you spread this awareness more about professional qualifications. Thank you very much for watching. Share it now.